Agricultural practices protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. Protecting from weeds. What are weeds? The undesirable plant that grow along with the crop is known as weeds, and removal of weeds are known as weeding. Why weeding is necessary? Weeds generally compete with crops for space, light, water and nutrients, and they interfere in harvesting and can be poisonous for animals and human beings. How farmers remove the weeds? By tilling the crop before sowing, manually using khupris, or spraying weedicide, which is a chemical that basically kills the weeds. For example, 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid. What farmers should keep in mind while using the weedicides? Best time to remove the weed is before they produce the flowers and seeds, and when they are using weedicide, it must be diluted in water and sprayed in the field, and farmers should always cover their nose and the mouth with a piece of cloth while spraying them. Next step is harvesting, cutting of crops. This is done two ways: manually with the help of sickle or with the help of machine like harvester. After harvesting, separating chaff from the grain can be done by two ways: through threshing or winnowing. In the process of threshing, it is beaten on the hard surface like stone and the wood so that the grains fall from the stalk due to force, and sometimes it is done with the help of machine also. After threshing, winnowing is done to separate husk from the seed by blowing air. It is done manually in this way or with the help of the machine like combine. Next step is storage. The storage of grain is also an important step in agriculture. After harvesting steps, the ready grain is stored in granaries or silos like this. How are grains protected from pests, bacteria and fungi? Grains or seeds are dried in the sun to protect from moisture. At small scale, grains are stored in jute bags or metallic bins. At large scale, they are kept in silos and granaries. Dried neem leaves are used at home to protect food grains. In big godowns, chemical treatments are done to protect the large quantities of grains. What precautions should be taken during storage of grains? Grain should be dried properly or they might rot easily. They should be stored in completely dry gunny bags. The bag should be kept in a place which is free from completely moisture. Storage area should be well ventilated. In large godowns, care should be taken that chemicals used to repel or kill insects and rats do not contaminate food grain. So these are the precautions. Thank you.